Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now, if you need to move money from your savings to your checking account, here's a quick and easy guide to do it with the US banks online or mobile banking. Let's get started. Now, first, let me show you how you can do it between your accounts through online banking. And if you're on the US Bank's website, click on the transfer and pay from the top of the page, then internal transfers. And choose the account you're transferring from and the account you're transferring to. Enter the amount, adjust the frequency or date if needed, and click next. Now double check the details, and if everything looks good, click send transfer, and that's it. Now, if you're on the mobile, this is how you can do it. And if you're on the mobile app, and the process is really simple, right? So, same as before, tap transfer and pay at the bottom, then choose make an internal transfer. And select your savings account as the source, your checking account as the destination, and the type in the end, then type in the amount. Adjust the date or frequency if needed, and tap transfer to complete it. Now, keep in mind the transfer made on weekend, holidays, and after a cut of times will process on the next business day. And there you have it. Transferring money between your US bank account is fast and simple. Thanks for watching.